Welcome to Rust by Examples, Lesson 7. Today we're building a JSON Config Loader. You'll learn about serde, deserialize, and option types. Let's create our Config Loader project. Cargo new creates the project structure. Now we add serde with the derive feature enabled. This downloads serde and its derive macros. Next we add serde JSON for JSON parsing. Our cargo toml now shows both dependencies. Serde with derive feature and serde JSON are ready. The default main just prints hello world. Cargo run confirms everything compiles correctly. Now let's learn about serde. Serde stands for serialize and deserialize. It's Rust's most popular data format library. The derive feature enables automatic implementations. Now let's create our config.json file. We open nvim and disable auto indent. Our config has 4 fields: app name, version, debug mode, and max connection. JSON uses strings, booleans, and numbers. Save and quit. Let's verify the file. Perfect. Our JSON is ready to parse. The derive deserialize macro is the magic. It auto-implements JSON parsing for your struct. Field names must match the JSON keys exactly. Now let's write the code to parse our config. We import deserialize from serde. The derive attribute adds deserialize and debug. Our config struct mirrors the JSON structure. App name and version are strings. Debug mode is a bool. Max connections is U32. In main, we read the file contents. Serde JSON from str parses the JSON. We use expect to handle errors, then print each config value. Save and quit. Let's see the code. Cargo run loads all 4 values. What if some config fields are optional? Option T lets fields be missing from JSON. Use unwrap or to provide a fallback value. Let's make some fields optional. First, we update config JSON. Now it only has app name and version. Running the old code will fail. The error shows missing fields. Our optional version uses option types. Match handles some and none cases. Unwrap or provides a default value. Cargo run now succeeds. Option types add flexibility. Serde default is even cleaner than option. It uses type defaults or custom functions. Perfect for settings that should have defaults. Let's build a complete config. Our config includes a database object. We omit debug mode and max connections. They'll use default values instead. The code shows serde default attributes. Debug mode defaults to false. Max connections uses a custom default. Database is an optional nested struct. Cargo run shows all the values. Defaults and nested structs work great. Perfect. Excellent work. Let's recap what you learned. Serde and serde JSON enable JSON parsing. Derive Deserialize auto implements parsing. Option and serde default handle missing fields. Thanks for watching Lesson 7. Next up, we'll parse TOML configuration files. Like and subscribe for more Rust tutorials.